homemade. And today, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make Shelly's baked macaroni and cheese, guys. Just baked macaroni and cheese. So you're going to need some boiling water in here with some salt. That's what I have here. I'm going to steam from that baby. Some salt. And what I'm going to do is add 1 pound of elbow macaroni and cheese. So that's 1 box of that 1 pound of macaroni and cheese, guys. Of that macaroni, I said macaroni and cheese, of macaroni. And you stir it in there. Alright? And we're going to let it cook. We're going to let it cook for about 11 minutes. So at 11 minutes, it should be al dente, chewy to the tube. We don't want it all the way done. Alright? We don't want it all the way done because we're going to bake it in our oven. Alright? So let's get this started. And when I come back, guys, I'm going to show you what to do next before we assemble our baked macaroni and cheese. Alright? Alright, guys. So let's start our base on this baked macaroni and cheese. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add some heavy cream to our noodles. You see, look at our noodles. They've been drained. Nice and hot. We're going to add some heavy cream. Nice amount. About 2 cups of heavy cream. Just like so. And in there. We're going to take our butter. We're going to add our butter. But let's cut it up so it'll melt faster. There we go. There it is. And mix it up really, really well. Now we're going to add our egg. It's 3 eggs beaten right into the pot. It's going to help that heavy cream bind that mac and cheese. Alright, so now we got some monster cheese, guys. We're going to cut these up in cubes. You can put it down on the board and cut it if you like. I'm going to do it right in my hand. Right in cubes. Put it in there. Now, I normally would use Gouda, but still didn't have any. And I do love Monster in my mac and cheese. So we're using Monster today. And I'm just cutting it up. Getting it in there. This is going to be so freaking cheesy, guys. I'm trying to tell you. I use 3 types of cheese in my baked macaroni and cheese. We're using cheddar, mozzarella, and this monster cheese. Alright, the monster cheese is not going to melt until it gets in the oven. It's going to start its melting process right here. And that's why it's cut up into blocks. Now, I'm using shredded cheddar, and I'm going to cut some cheddar up as well. So you're going to need, trying to get it out the package. You're going to need 8 ounce of Monster, 8 ounce block of Monster, and an 8 ounce block of cheddar. And just cut it all up in there. I'm trying to tell you, it's going to be so cheesy. You don't need Velveeta. You don't need flour. Just need cheese, heavy cream, egg, and the noodles, and butter. It's gonna be so cheesy and amazing. With the cheddar, get that mixed in, evenly distribute throughout. Alright, like this. And we're gonna add our mozzarella. We're gonna use another 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella. Put it all in there. Let's get our cheddar in. Now I have a greased pan that we're going to get this into a 375 degree oven for about 45 minutes, guys. Once you thoroughly mix this in, like this, all mixed in. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. We're going to take this out first. I'm going to pour our mac and cheese right in there. I promise you, it's going to come together. It's going to be amazing. Alright. And we're going to take some more cheese and put it on top. It is. And when we come back, I'm going to show y'all how cheesy this thing is, guys. Beautiful baked macaroni and cheese. Now, I added so much salt to the water, and if you've been watching my channel, you would know that you want your water when you're doing noodles salty as the sea, so it'll season it up, and you don't need to add any salt when you're doing baked macaroni and cheese. Alright, guys, when I come back, I'm going to show you guys the final product. Okay, so this is the final result of our baked macaroni and cheese. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's go in and see just how cheesy she is. And look at that. She got cheese running everywhere. Look at that. Tell me that's not mac and cheese to go crazy for. If I didn't say it before, all my new Subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that Shelly come out and make some of this fantastic food, guys. And for everybody else, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Alright, so look at this mac and cheese, guys. Look at that. A straight cheese pull from the mac and cheese. Alright, it's hot. I mean, it's real hot. Bring your daggone mouth. Perfect. So good. And hot, but good. Alright, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.